Good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Golap Nitin Namdev from Rao Bahadur Narayanrao Boravke College, Department of Chemistry. In our previous lecture, we discussed methods of preparation of alkane in 11th Science Chemistry chapter Hydrocarbons. In this chapter, we discussed new point chemical properties of alkenes. Chemical properties of alkenes or reactivity of alkene. In that first reaction is halogenation or addition of halogen in alkene. First reaction is halogenation or addition of halogen in alkene. When propene is react with bromine, that is Br2, in presence of CCl4 in room temperature, it gives 1,2-dibromopropane. Means carbon-carbon double bond is converted into the carbon-carbon single bond. Alkene is converted into the alkane. When propene is react with Br2 in presence of CCl4 in room temperature, it gives 1,2-dibromopropane. It gives 1,2-dibromopropane. This is very useful test. This halogenation, this is very useful test for detection of unsaturation present in unknown compound. This is very useful test for detection of unsaturation in unknown compound. If you don't know about saturation and unsaturation in unknown compound, when we use this test, when we treated this unknown compound with Br2, then it is converted into the single bond. Color is disappear. Then we easily find out unsaturation in unknown compound by using this test, by using Br2, bromine, red, brown. This is the halogenation reaction or addition of halogen. Next reaction is addition of hydrogen halides or hydrohalogenation reaction. Addition of hydrogen halides. First is addition reaction of HBr2 symmetrical alkene. In addition of hydrogen halide, there is a first reaction is addition reaction of HBr hydrobromic acid to symmetrical alkene. What is meant by symmetrical alkene? When we compare this CH2 and CH2, on the both sides there is a same CH2. This is symmetrical alkene. When symmetrical alkene is react with unsymmetrical reagent, it gives a bromoethane as a only single product. When symmetrical alkene is react with unsymmetrical reagent, it gives alkyl halide. In this reaction, ethene is react with hydrogen bromide. It gives bromoethane as a only one single product. This is addition of reaction of HBr to symmetrical alkenes. Next is addition reaction of HBr to unsymmetrical alkene. Addition reaction of HBr to unsymmetrical alkenes means geometry of this carbon-carbon double bond. Here is carbon-carbon double bond and here is CH3CH present, here is only CH2 is present on double bonded carbon atom. This is unsymmetrical alkene because on both sides of the double bond there is a different group. Why it is called as unsymmetrical alkene? Because on carbon-carbon, on both sides of the carbon-carbon double bond there is a different group, there is a different group, there is also a different group. So this is the unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, it gives two products. In case of symmetrical alkene, when symmetrical alkene is react with unsymmetrical reagent, it gives only one product. But when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, it gives two product, and then major product is according to the Markovnikov rule. Markovnikov rule, it is stated that when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, then the negative part of the reagent is attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atoms. When addition of HBr to unsymmetrical alkenes takes place, when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, then there is a formation of two product takes place. Then major product is according to the Markovnikov rule. Here is a two product is formed, major product and minor product. Which is major product? Major product is formed according to the Markovnikov rule, which is stated that when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atoms. In this reaction, this is unsymmetrical reagent, this is unsymmetrical alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, negative part of the reagent, this is negative part of the reagent, Br minus H plus, negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atom. This carbon carries only one hydrogen, and so this is a carbon which carries a less number of hydrogen. This carbon carries less number of hydrogen as compared to these two carbon. This carbon carries less number of hydrogen. So negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which having a less number of hydrogen atoms. Here is two product is formed. First is minor product and second is major product. Major product is according to the Markovnikov's rule. Negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atom. This is major product, it is called as 2-bromopropane, and this is minor product, it is called as 1-bromopropane. This is minor product, this is major product. Means major and minor product, it decided in the unsymmetrical alkene depend on unsymmetrical reagent and unsymmetrical alkene. It is depend on Markovnikov's rule. It is decided according to the Markovnikov's rule, which is stated that when unsymmetrical alkene is added to the unsymmetrical reagent, the negative part of the reagent gets attached to that carbon which having less number of hydrogen atoms, which carries a less number of hydrogen atom. Okay, we are stop here. Thank you.